had a very, very rich experience. Storytelling, music, the visuals. If you don't know anything about the Constellations, you will go away wanting to know more.
The show was absolutely brilliant. I think it was very moving. It had a lot of new information that kind of came out from that as well. But it was also kind of how the stories were weaved into each other that really stood out for me.
My name is Lynn, and I really enjoyed the performance. I love storytelling anyway. And the gods became characters, didn't they? And particularly the Orion character. He jumped out at me as Trump.
I've always been passionate about the stars, but haven't really known what the constellations are. I enjoyed them all, but particularly the Medusa one, because I quite like Medusa's story.
It's a play, it's an education, it's a memory lane. It's brought out different things in everyone, hasn't it? And I enjoyed the performance, I enjoyed the way they are doing it as well.